Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are creating a very simple and gorgeous look with this palette from C Beauty Mall. A very simple look for beginners, so we'll be using one or two eyeshadow to create a very simple look which you can easily follow. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so stay tuned and keep watching. Using this sample foundation as my base because I'm going for a dark shade. Make sure you blend it very smoothly. I don't know if you can see it very closely. So with this brown here. So I just have to tap it on my lips. Careful with the eyeshadow. Make sure you do not go close to your eyebrow. Just tap it around your lips. This is the classic smoking brown I want to create today. Very simple and easy to apply your eyeshadow. If you have a good makeup brush, you can apply your makeup all by yourself. So that make sure you apply the eyeshadow close to your lash line. So this is the shape of the smoking eyes I'm going for. If you want to blend out the harsh line, I'm using this shade over here to blend everything out. Because I'm bringing this smoking eye down, I'm using this brush right here to bring it down. You just have to look up to make sure that I start from this area, from my, and make sure you keep your eyes open. A black eyeliner pencil, make sure you apply it so close to your lash line. You see the shape is coming out already. So this is what I'm doing. So just apply it. Make sure you apply it close to your lash line and down. Take it a little bit down. I just have to blend it out with this brown eyeshadow to avoid the smudging. If not, find everything in your cheekbone. If you want to use eyeliner pencil to bring out the shape of your smoking eye to create, so you need to use any eyeshadow that matches the color of the eyeliner pencil. Use it to smoke it out so that to avoid any smudging on your cheek, even under your lash line. So you have to blend it out. So how I'm moving it right now. Just need to blend. This is from Makeup Revolution London. So I'm going for this here. You guys see already. Take the highlight. I just have to bring the highlight close. Using this brush to blend everything out. Left eye. So to blend everything. Stay matte powder. For a black mascara, I could have used the mascara from C Beauty Mall, but the mascara is purple, and to apply mascara to your eyelash, you just have to keep your eyes opened. Do not blink your eyes. Make sure your eyes is well opened. Make sure you keep your eyes open. Make sure you keep your eyes open. If you want to apply mascara to your lower lash, you need this tweezer. Pick up mascara with this tweezer as much as you can. Just pick it up, pick it up, pick it up as much as you can. Just take a look at it. Take this tweezer take it close to your lower lash. Keep picking your lower lash. Pick them, pick it one by one. Take a look at this. You don't need to apply any fake lashes to your lower lashes. Just take a look at this. I just did it with this very one with mascara. I don't know if I need eyelashes anymore, but with eyelashes you can get the shape of your eye. So let's go and put on my eyelashes and come back to show you the finished look. So guys, let me use this lip tint from Say Beauty Mall. So oh my god. This lip tint is from Say Beauty Mall. This one. This blush is from Say Beauty Mall. So guys, this is my finished look for today. Just take a look how it comes out. This is my classic brand Smoking Eyes. You need to check them out. Go and patronize them. Go to their website at www.saybeautymall.com. Go and look for your favorite makeup item right on their website. I will be adding my discount code to the description list. Please, if you want to place your order, make sure you use my discount code for your order. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you guys. See you all on my next video. I really appreciate it. Thank you.